No, no. Daylight come and we drop a D-bomb. Pay, we say 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 pay, yo. Kick your ass, then we gonna come home. George Bush say that revenge come. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Load them bombs till the morning come. Airplane come and we drop the bomb. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Lift one bomb, two bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop the bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile knocking at your door. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Lift one bomb, two bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop the bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile knocking at your door. Pow! We said pow! Kick your ass, then we won't come home. No! No! Daylight come and we drop a D-bomb. Pay! We say pay, 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 yo. Kick your ass, then we gonna come home. George Bush say that revenge come. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Load them bombs till the morning come. Airplane come and we drop the bomb. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Lift one bomb, two bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop the bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile knocking at your door. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Lift one bomb, two bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop the bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile knocking at your door. Pow! We said pow! Kick your ass, then we won't come home. No! No! Daylight come and we drop a D-bomb. Pay! We say pay, 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 yo. Kick your ass, then we gonna come home. George Bush say that revenge come. Payback come and we drop the bomb.
Good evening, friends. Let me make some coffee real quick. Be right back. I had people over for the fight. And so, not in any trades right now. I wanted to short earlier, but it's the weekend. I've been chilling. I knew things were looking fishy earlier. Let me get my coffee, and we can chat. I'm not in any trades right now.
Till the morning come. Airplane come and we drop the bomb. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Lift one bomb, two bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop the bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile knocking at your door. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Lift one bomb, 2 bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop the bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile knocking at your door. Pow! We said pow! Kick your ass, then we won. Come home. Daylight come and we drop the bomb. Pay, we say 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 pay, yo. Kick your ass, then we gonna come home. George Bush say that revenge come. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Load them bombs till the morning come. Airplane come and we drop the bomb. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Lift one bomb, 2 bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop the bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile knocking at your door. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Lift one bomb, 2 bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop the bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile knocking at your door. Pow! We said pow! Kick your ass, then we won. Come home. Daylight come and we drop the bomb. Pay, we say 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 pay, yo. Kick your ass, then we gonna come home. George Bush say that revenge come. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Load them bombs till the morning come. Airplane come and we drop the bomb. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Lift one bomb, 2 bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Lift one bomb, two bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop the bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile
Knocking at your door. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Man, I rediscovered this video again last week, and boy, did it bring back some memories. And after, 20 damn years, it's good to be able to play this song again for it to have relevance. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Hit a couple UFC bets. Damn, what did we just see with ETH on the 12 hour? What is this? I haven't looked at charts all weekend. This is the first time I'm really sitting down taking a look. And damn, I saw a little bit earlier this morning. And what I saw was the 2 hour and the 1 hour were complete opposites. And, boy. Let's go to, got a potential little head and shoulders here. And we are right, of course, at the spider line before the doozy we have been looking for. This is a 15% drop. It's the weekend, and so I'm not too butthurt over kinetic potential profit loss, so to speak. Unless it dropped 15%, then I'd be pissed I really missed out. I will say what I do like about PHEMEX here, it is nice being in USD when you're not in a trade besides Bitcoin. I moved some over to Bitcoin so I could trade Bitcoin, so I still have Bitcoin. I'm still holding on to trade that, but for shitcoins and everything else, it's still cash. So that's nice as far as at least the trading account, but
George Bush say that revenge come. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Load them bombs till the morning come. Airplane come and we drop the bomb. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden.
man, this looks exactly the same. Man, this looks the same. This even even this part. We might be stretching it there though. Tantalizing. Plus, I mean, we've officially had 4 touches. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. You know how important that number is. Although technically we'd be looking for impulse waves. So we could say we are just simply on a 3rd impulse wave and looking for a 4th or a 5th to break down. Preferably, obviously, we would like this to bounce up so we could, you know, tomorrow or something, actually enter a trade when it's a good time to enter it and not just force a trade because we're fucking looking for something to fucking put money into. That's foolish. But in the eyes of entertainment, fuck it. Let's look for a trade to put something into. Just kidding. Maybe. Yeah. Get our music right here. I kind of like that. I like that song. Maybe we can find something new. Testing 1 2 1 2. One two 1 2 testing. Are you serious? Really? That was a 2-minute song? Are you kidding me? That sucks. I thought that was gonna be like an hour-long jungle mix. We found something, man. I was just finding my vibe, dude. We were just finding our vibe. Bitcoin isn't dumping? What are you talking about? The price already came down here. What are you talking about, man? You people are delusional sometimes, man. The price isn't dropping. The price hasn't dropped. It looks like it has to me. Question is, how big is this gonna be? Man, this all right. Let's start from the top here. Let's start from the top. Man, this 6-hour trigger wave so far playing out back down to the downside. Interesting. This is kind of a weird money flow wave. How it's just inverse curved and inverse curved. What I can say is I can't recall seeing this looking type of wave during a bull run. And that's just something that's coming on my when things shift, you see different things. You do one thing. I'ma do one thing. One of the first tell signs was which pattern was it? This one? Was it I think it was this. This was the yeah, this was let me see, it's not clear enough. That looked more like it. Here we go. It was on ETH. This, when we first saw this, this is a pattern from my memory. I'm not saying it's etched in a stone tablet somewhere by some other fucking asshole out there. But this was a pattern that we've seen repeat many times in downward trends. And there's multiple patterns. It's just doing the same thing on different time frames. You could see it looks the same shit right here. It's just gonna be a smaller version. Gonna drop down again. There's another pattern on Bitcoin. I was looking at that. It's right here again. It's right here again. Multiple time frames, basically same type of looking pattern. That's continuation shit. A lot of weasels. I see, just from the time I've looked at Twitter and seen, I've been seeing some weaseling. I'm seeing the weaseling. Damn. What's going on here with that 12-hour, though? Oh, my lord. My lord. Ethereum on the... Is it there on the Bitcoin? There's one. And is this on the current candle? Oh, man, it is. It's a weekend. This means we're being primed up for something. We're being primed up for something. My guess would be a downward push. This looks like a bearish 2 yellow X's to me, and I say bearish 2 yellow X's because sometimes in bull runs you'll see like a yellow X up here and then one real close with down here, and that'll be a reversal. But this just doesn't strike me as reversal yellow X's, especially with the trend as of now. See, kind of like these ones. I mean, it's still dump a shit ton. It's just whale play moves. That damn move 30%. Yellow X's just mean there's a setup coming and shit's gonna hit the fan. Sell in May, walk away. 64K top forever for Bitcoin. Not all shitcoins, but Bitcoin. And you know, maybe I'm wrong about the whole 64K top thing forever. And I can see the one thing Bitcoin has going for it is the brand power and all the assholes that are into it, and it's what is on TV. But so was America Online, AOL, Time Warner. They were number one. They were on TV. They were in all the blockbusters and grocery stores. The Roman Empire was number one. They fell. Genghis Khan was number one. He fell. I've said my case about the whole 64K top forever. I'm done repeating myself on it. And that's okay. You're entitled to your opinions. I'm entitled to mine, and I have my reasons. It's not just some number I pulled out of my ass like you guys do. And I mean you as in the 3 little pencil necks talking shit, not most of you. Ripple will probably last longer than Bitcoin. Ripple will probably overtake Bitcoin in a couple years. It's faster. Why would all these powerful entities that are coming into crypto, why would they give the power? Why would they try to buy the little amount that they'd be able to? They would have no control. They don't work like that. Yeah, I know, Drew. Makes no sense. Still, no one can give me an answer of why I would be wrong. They try to say scarcity. It ain't scarce. Bitcoin, this shitcoin, no shitcoin is scarce. Bitcoin's been forked and dorked and porked 100 times. If Bitcoin and Ethereum were the two only cryptocurrencies, we'd be talking about a totally different story, and we'd be at $1 million. We'd be at $1 million right now. But shit, things don't go the way that you want them to. And that's just a fact of life. Yeah. Ripple's working with way more power. There's more powerful entities doing more shit with Ripple than they are with Bitcoin. You guys are too attached. Anyone who gets mad at anything like that, this is the problem with crypto. This is the problem in this industry. One of the biggest problems. There's a good handful of problems in crypto. This is one of them. How everyone takes shit so personal. It's just money. It's not your fucking dog. It's not your girlfriend. It's not your mother. It's a made up shit. It's money. Why are you so attached to your money? Why are you so attached to something that's just, made up? I'm not saying you don't have to really like it and don't have to, believe in it and love it and, like I love doing what I do and I love, this shit, but I'm not like, whoa. I used to love Zcash, as Zcash was my shitcoin. But I'm not like, oh no, Zcash, how dare you say Monero, Zcash, the protocol. And you guys just, I won't mention any names, but, there's a lot of folks, the majority of these smart guys in this take Bitcoin Maximus for example. When there's a debate between like a maxi and a shitcoin guy, is that the best way to put it? Well, yeah, okay. Well, we'll just take one example. There's one person I'm thinking of. I won't mention his name, but like when they try to debate, they go, "You think Bitcoin's this?" Yeah, right. Where's your argument, bro? You know what I mean? Like, you can't just fucking laugh it off. Back it up. State your logic. Overall, there's a lot more smart people right now. I think a lot more people are handling the market situation than years ago. And so pat yourselves on the back, folks. I see way less squirming, and you can tell that a lot of you and a lot of us, and I know I've been seeing some of you, it's a lot of you in the chat, man, we've been doing this shit for years, for a long time. Maybe we've learned a thing or two, Just maybe. Just maybe. We've learned a thing or two. Anywho, hey, listen, I could be wrong. Bitcoin could soar. Like I said, where I saw like the potential for like a top pair for Bitcoin, it was right at that like 65K or 120K. And it's like, oh, that's a big fucking gap. But when you're looking at logarithmic shit, that's just how it is. And Bitcoin's done 10,000x. So saying even potentially it only has one more double up until it's over forever, I don't think it's that big of a deal. Most people that are in Bitcoin think it's going to go to millions and millions of dollars. So, wow, look at these momentum waves. Oh my lordy, do you see this? Look at that. Look at that, just look at this divergence, man. Look at this divergence, man. Man. Raffle, it goes to 100K this year. That would be funny, huh? Hey, then, like I said, if it would be the happiest bet I've ever lost if Bitcoin went to 100K before December 31st. You believe your kids will be able to experience Bitcoin at 10 million? You could be right. I hope you're right, to be honest with you. I just believe that the players and the powers in Bitcoin can so easily prevent that from happening that the Chinese have not been selling as of late. A year ago and before then, everyone was crying about F2 pool and the Chinese miners that mined it all. Pretty much all of Bitcoin was mined by Chinese. And they sold a little bit, but as of lately, they haven't been selling. Now, I think your average asshole on YouTube's gonna say, oh, that's bullish, they're not selling. Right? Wrong. And the more that price goes up, the amount of Bitcoin they have is still the same and worth a lot more, and they will be able to wreck anyone that owns Bitcoin. Any hedge fund, smedge fund, country. Now, it could just be conspiracy, but these things are real. These things do happen. They've happened forever in history. There is no reason why it will not continue. I'm talking now. This is on the grand scheme of things, okay? I'm not saying the Chinese are gonna end the world with anyone with Bitcoin, in a week. Although technically it's possible. I'm just saying that shit's chess, not checkers. And you gotta think about these things. You gotta know how they think. Most people think, why would whales jump? But the whales are like, they know what the fucking whales are doing. Like all the whales just do the same thing. I hate hearing that. I hate hearing that on-chain shit too. You know how much information is missing from quote unquote on-chain analytics? Everything that's off the chain, which it's the off the chain shit that every single day is gaining more power. On-chain analytics, if you're using that for indications, weakens every single day that banks and the institutions get more power and get more futures in ETFs in bullshit. The more you invite the devil to dance, the more it steps on your toes. One new toe it steps on every week until you got no fucking feet. Anyways, these Doom, I always loved our Doom and Gloom streams. Late at night here. Someone's got to tell you. Someone's got to tell you. I mean, like, do you really need another person to watch on YouTube that's gonna just blow Bitcoin, hold forever, never gonna sell? We just hold. I'm just gonna buy more and I'm just gonna hold and yeah. If this breaks, it's got a lot of room down. And then, oh man. Literally, okay, this is what I was talking about with Bitcoin. You see this pattern right here? Okay? Just like we drew it before on a smaller time frame. Here. Let me do it for you. Okay. See this? Now you'd think that I drew this off this time frame last week when we were talking about it. But guess what? I did not. We drew it off this one. See what I'm saying? Bitcoin has officially pegged a pattern and is repeating itself on micro time frames. This is something that is done since the beginning. This is something that I discovered in Bitcoin, that it makes its own patterns. It's very unique patterns. Evolutionary patterns. Sometimes they're patterns that you might know. Sometimes not. And then it repeats them on all different time frames. Maybe we can find another one. Oh, what do you know? Oh, what do you know? No, these two look exceptionally similar because there's a big gap in between. Look, oh, geez. Oh, what is that? Oh, what is that? It looks the same. And so why this can be helpful, because you can kind of predict what the pattern might do if it keeps repeating it. Just saying it's there. I know we got a lot of people that listen. I'm not surprised. We got a lot of butthurt people. We are in the butthurt pattern. This is the blowout butthurt open season on busting cheeks, and you can see them. You can see those cheeks getting busted right now, but a lot of cheeks ain't getting busted, and that's because some of us have had our cheeks busted before doing this shit. We've been doing this shit for years. I think a lot of you are new. I think the people that are crying about their booty cheeks getting busted are new into this shit. Now, here's the truth. Tired of hearing about the news, about what's being force-fed, and the shit that they choose. There's white girls that go missing every day. There's black kids that go missing every day. There's murders every day. And whatever they're trying to show, they try to distract. At the end of the day, guess what? The world is a messed up place. It always has been. And you know, all we can do is take care of our fucking own selves and our loved ones and our little families and communities, and that's about it, man. That's about it. Technology has really prevented societies from being able to. It's really prevented good men from gathering and being able to make a change. Did you see anyone who watched UFC tonight? That crowd was silent. And you know what I think it is? Never mind. I was at that same arena, and it was loud as hell. That crowd sucked. And there's one difference from when I went to that arena and tonight. Bunch of zombies in there. Not masks. Yeah, Connor wasn't fighting, but still, those fights, it's roll that out. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I'll let the chat. That's right. That's right. In order to go to stadiums, you have to be vaccinated. Yeah, it was a great card. Yeah, how about AJ going down? That dude's sucked for a long time, but he's been losing to fucking. I don't even want to. Ooh. Um. I can't wait to see what this week brings. I wonder what's gonna happen this week. Yeah, I had coffee go down the wrong pipe there. Oh, damn, did we get a... If you're so sure, man, short it, man. We just got a bounce. I guess you were wrong. Oh my god, dude, you're funny, man. Thanks for that. Man, this could absolutely just be a baby turtle to a mama turtle on the green side. You know, things reverse, and look at this mama to a baby inverse. We have increasing, decreasing money flow. What is this? The 2 hour? I would like to get in on a nice curvature coming to the downside, is where I'll be looking to enter for a good confident entry. I've heard. You know, you should be proud that at least your people are in the streets. But I think the gun laws are very tight in Australia. But I don't know. I could be totally wrong. Yeah, that's the problem. People want to get rich quick. Man, this whole looking like the same as March in 2020. Yeah. You got your RSIs coming down from this top. Money flow was coming back up for a little bit, but it wasn't done. Price still had to come down lower. I mean, look at this. Look at that trend we just had with the money flow, man. That's a completed trend. Like that's a nice. This was a year long of just going up. Look at the VWAPs here. See how we got like these two pincers right here, and we kind of have the same type of. And I'm just, you know, just looking at what I can here. But I mean, we got these pincers right here too. Say it's like those. How many was there? Three? Yeah, you know, you can only stare at the same stuff for so long. It's like looking at the fridge, looking in the fridge. Have I changed the touching points in the spider lines? No. No. But it's pretty sweet how they work out, isn't it? Let me show you. They are still the same as they've been. They have not been touched. Beautiful. Blood diamond, man. Wish I would have took that. Wish I would have known. But who gives a fuck? It's easy to say in hindsight, oh, I should have. Especially on a weekend, and there's really no point. No matter what happens, the market will be here tomorrow. No matter the price, Bitcoin, you know, will at least be here for at least another year, you know. And the opportunities will be there on both sides. I had a good night. I had a good night with friends and family. Invited just friends and family, couple friends and mostly family. You know, at the end of the day, physics is physics, law is law. And you know, this whole run back of this little bounce up that we had up to this 50K, so many times people ask me, the Three Amigos, are the Three Amigos still in play? And yes, while my back was up against the wall, every single time I claimed, I say, it is. They are. For they are the Three Amigos. The Four Horsemen of Bitcoin. Javier. Otra vez. Rodriguez. The fourth Rodriguez. The fourth amigo is hidden. And that is why we call them the Three Amigos. The Four Horsemen of Bitcoin. Man, look at all these blood diamonds that we're firing off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bing! What was this move? How much was this? Nice little 4%er. Yeah, so it'll be interesting to see what happens here. Is it going to make a fourth circle wave? Oh man, imagine if we had just the picture perfect chong, the ching chong, and it just chong down 15% down to the next spider line. That would be awesome. I think a lot of people, a lot of influencers were coming out and saying this past week, I bought more. I bought a lot. I bought more. El Salvador. And if the price keeps going, they're just gonna say, yeah, I'm in it for the long run, and you know, I'm in a hole, and never sell. I'll never sell. I don't know. I guess I never want to make money on the fucking gains I'm getting. Oopsie daisy. I bought the dip. Here we go, baby. She's having a nice little... Oh, folks, I was wrong. The Three Amigos. The Three Amigos. Invalidated. This has been debunked. All jokes aside, Jesus, how many times is this gonna happen? I have too much fucking shit. Okay, sorry about that. I keep dropping, shit keeps flying off my desk here. maybe let's see if we have any yellow X's down here. So the name of the game again in these bear trends again is, you know, it spends less time in the green and more time in the red. And so we want to get a good entrance on red. Or on green. This was the last trade I was in. This was where, what do we make? 200, 250, 260. This was good. I'm glad I caught this move. That felt good. I was getting patty whacked around for the past week, losing, then having to make it back, then losing, having to make it back, then losing, having to make it back like 3 fucking times. I was able to come out on top. Yeah, I got a Twitter, bro. It's in the description. But I'm not like a big Twitter dude. Like, I think it's you know, it's pencil necks. Does this look like a bottom pattern to these people? I mean, does that look like a bottom that we've seen before? Honest question. Hmm? You're not doing this to gamble. If you're trading, you want to take confident moves. You're not. If you want to gamble, go to the casino. This is cool. This looks like, this is something we haven't seen in a long time either. If it came back up like this, we used to see this before too. Yeah, it looks like 30K bottom. Yeah, you could be right. You could be right. But was it though? Was it? But was it? Money flow is still decreasing. We are at a lower low for money flow. Last time it dipped down this much, the price. Last time, money flow coming off of a bull run or a bull trend. We're right here. See where this red dotted line is? It even marks it for you. Let's mark it. So this was the 3-day mark here. So what happened here? Price came down 20% and then came up good and then went down bad. What were we looking at? The 3-day. Time before that, coming off of a bull run on the 3-day chart, there were 2 yellow X's of death, of manipulation, and price came down 25%, then price went up 42%, and then it died sideways, and then the reckoning. 28.72. You go, baby. Yeah, this is not a time I'd be looking to enter a trade unless I was trading micro time frames. That 1 minute, baby, was showing it, baby. How about that 1 minute? We pulled up that 1 minute. She was looking good on the 1 minute. Wouldn't be surprised if this is topped out right here, actually. Temporarily. For now. Yeah. I bet you it's topped out.
Then short it, bro. Why don't you short it?
Not sure if you'll ever hate weekends. Yeah, man, listen, it all depends on the weekend. Not every weekend's the same. Some weekends are terrific, some weekends are terrible, you know. We've had great weekends, we've had terrible weekends. You're totally right. What is this, the 2 hour? Okay, so did this candle just print? Or, because I feel like I was looking at the 2 hour. Was I looking at ETH? Is that what it was? Okay. My guess is that what I'm guessing my future actions will be is I'm looking for this VWAP to come back up and then to see what happens. Then I'll be looking for this curvature back down, this 2 hour to come up, and then I'll be looking for this 1 hour. Once 2 hours back, I'm going to be looking for this 1 hour to have like a confirmed VWAP circled wave. And then maybe we'll have some other indicators as well backing us up. And that's where I'd be looking to pull the trigger. The name of my indicators, let me show you. The name of my indicators is Javier otra vez Rodriguez. Just kidding. MarketCypherTrading.com, MarketCypher, bro. If you're new here, well, just ask the folks in the chat. You know, description. How about them spider lines, boys? Man, that's beautiful. Nice little manipulation X's on the standard candles. Oh, Solano. What's going on with Solano? 130. 132. What about Ripple? What about Ripple? Ripple holding 90 cents, 92 cents. What about Shitter Cardano? Shitter Cardano's not doing too bad. Shitter Cardano's hanging in there. Higher low, I only see negative. Bro, you don't know if the pattern's played out yet. This was a higher low, 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 and then look what happened. You're too zoomed in, bro. And I'm not biased. I'm not sitting here hoping and wishing for one thing or the other to happen. I'm fine either way, whether it goes up or down.
No, daylight come and we drop the bone. Pay, we say 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 pay, yo. Kick your ass, then we gonna come home. George Bush say that revenge come, payback come, and we drop the bomb. Load them bombs till the morning come. Airplane come and we drop the bomb. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Lift one bomb, two bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop the bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile knocking at your door. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Lift one bomb, two bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop the bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile knocking at your door. Pow! We said pow! Kick your ass, then we won't come home. No! No! Daylight come and we drop the bomb. Pay! We say pay, 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 yo. Kick your ass, then we gonna come home. George Bush say that revenge come, payback come, and we drop the bomb. Load them bombs till the morning come. Airplane come and we drop the bomb. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Lift one bomb, two bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop the bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile knocking at your door. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Lift one bomb, two bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop the bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile knocking at your door. Pow! We said pow! Kick your ass, then we won't come home.
Actually, hang on a second.
The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. Only one logical thing to do. Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hollow coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market look embarrassed by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. Sour sour cream and onion dip. Scoop it with some ruffle chips. Sink 'em like Titanic ship. Bartender, here's a tip. Crypto face is the truth. He can even show you proof. This is market cipher school. Rory made you say, ooh, wish I had one too. Making plays on trading view. Waiting on a blue triangle. I just call it Blue's Clue. Portfolio diversified. Keep my balance classified. Scared to look, you terrified. But when you did, you almost died. All good before you went to sleep. Woke up to a surprise. Couldn't believe your eyes. Where the hell did your money go? You like, oh my God. What the fuck happened? Bitcoin dumping in my sleep. Woke up to a market sweep. That's the reason I don't sleep. Keep my eyes on the prize. Bought some Hex and Cardano. Fear of missing out. FOMO, that's a no-no. Yeah, I know, bro, but I still do the shit. I'm just trying to hit a lick. So I think I just might buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip, buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip, buy the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hot on coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market looking bearish. Buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip. The market crashed on me, but it's not my ass, homie. Time to rise up out the flames like a motherfucking phoenix. Flying high in the sky, and I motherfucking mean it. Put it all on the house, I can't help it cause I'm greedy. Got a family, gotta feed it. All my followers, man, they need me. We can all get rich together, talk about financial freedom. BTC, ETH, XRP, that's a threesome. Three-way. Blockchain tokens got your boy really eating. Cryptocurrency is a gift from God. All praises to the Most High. Help me beat the odds, playing smart so I don't get wrecked like you pencil next. Way a crew, call me Spider-Man, the way I spider line. Until we position, then I exit trades right on time. Might tell you a secret, but I'll never drop a dime. Favorite pastime, sitting back, watching candles climb. If they go the other way, keep calm and don't trip. Buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip, buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip, buy the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hot on coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market looking bearish. Buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip. It ain't over for me. 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 It ain't over for me.
What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something before. Oh yes, I remember. The 10 minute, the 15, like these 10, 15, 20 minute time frames when we're in a nice confirmed trend, whether it's up or down. You know, right now we're in a nice little downtrend. These little greens, man, they pay off if you short it. Look at these, this looks like, this isn't like a head and shoulders, it's like an alligator. See its two eyes? And it's like peeking out the water or something like that. Here's its mouth. It looks like, this looks like an alligator, and this is the water line right here. You know how alligators just, they pop their eyes out at the water? We're gonna have to remember that one. It's a deadly alligator waiting for its prey with its eyes poking out the water, looking to do a barrel roll on your ass. Nice, Luke. Good job. Yeah, these spider lines are real deal. I mean, that's what I with Bitcoin. You can use the spider lines on Bitcoin to time shitcoins too. It all goes up and down at the same time, anyways. Not the same percentage, but like when we're at a spider line on Bitcoin and doing something with ETH, that's how I took profits on my last trade. Ooh. Yeah, this doesn't feel like FOMO. Yeah, this is just weekend play. In fact, 26, 25. What's Solano looking like? Little $5 move. Bought the dip. Good job. There was a place to do it. It was right there. Yeah, look at that. That's what do we got here? There's only 9 minutes left on the candle close. Look at that beauty just wedged right in between there, okay? Folks, you can't tell me that spider lines are just random lines and they'll work somewhere. Oh, what do you know? What do you know? Look where it's getting rejected from. What do you know? Let's do a little fib. To be honest, I don't really... I think people get too into Fibonacci's on, like, low-ass time frames. That is where... you know, it's like, oh, well, it's right here. Well, oh, look at all.
The golden pocket. The golden pocket.
When did I say it was going down in this stream? I didn't say it was going down. If I thought it was going to break through this, I would have shorted. I said, fucking A, we're probably going to get a fourth impulse wave.
I swear every time sales are going down, good.
price did dump. Or did you just ignore all this action? Did this never happen? Change your title now! Oh my god. Price, looks like it, let's see here. Price has gone down, 22% so far. Shit, like I said, if I was gonna be trading, it would be the micro time frames. This 1 minute played out pretty fucking nice, didn't it? This is what you look for on. This is Market Cipher basic strategy laid out right for you. It's what you want to look for on all time frames. You go to marketciphertrading.com, brother. If you want the indicator, it's in the description. marketciphertrading.com. Thank you, Miro. I appreciate that. Down the road, I will attempt again. I've already tried for a full year. I tried bringing a bot to you guys, but yeah, sometime in the future, maybe. It's gonna be different than what I was trying last time, though. It's it'll just be different. This looks like one of those monsters from the old like creepy children's book. Man, what was it called? Was it like Monsters in the Forest or something? It's an old children's book, and they had like creepy shit. Yeah, that 2-hour VWAP, man. So she's officially broken through. I'll be keeping my eye on this 30-minute, 20 minutes, see if we can get in the weekend. Might not be the play. I mean, shit. Yeah, I mean, we're at the top of the spider line here. There could be a potential for a little higher leveraged micro tight stop loss short something here. Let's go back to that 1 minute that showed the one minute had the most beautiful trajectory for the pump. Maybe it'll have the same for the dump. Let's see what happens. Oh, Nelly. Oh, boy. Oh, my gosh. Oh, a blood diamond. A blood diamond on the 15 second. Not the Goosebump books, but dude, I remember, dude, that shit was scary. It's not Goosebumps I'm thinking of. Was it like Into the Wild? No. Monster Forest Children's book. It's only showing me this new shit. It was more of a picture book. Damn, I remember these books. No, that's not it. Where the Wild Things Are? I think that's it. Where the Wild Things Are. Yeah, it was Where the Wild Things Are. That's what it was. Yep. Good one, bro. These dudes. Ooh. Ooh. Tell you what. It's slow. If it's probably too late, and I wanted to. Actually, how much is 10,000? 48,000. All right, we'll throw a little 500 just to be in the game on each one. Why not? Maybe we can scrape a little bit. Maybe maybe we can make a little 10, 20, 30K. She might just come down in here and then just chill and range sideways till God knows, you know, when for the next thing. Looks like we're up $6 grand already. Round bull trap. Let's go, baby. Dump. So this could be, if we come back down the spider line, that would be 25,000 on this Bitcoin trade. ETH would be 7%, 30, 40,000. So if we got lucky and this came right back down the spider line, I might be up like 50, 60, 70. Not saying that's what's gonna happen right now, but we're just in a couple little trades for for stream's sake. Is this a Chinese trumpet? No. This looks more like a Chinese trumpet than that. Chinese trumpets, they have like this pump, and then they have like kind of even candles, and then that curve. It started out maybe kind of like a Chinese trumpet, but this is more of a Shanghai sickle. Nice. Glad you like it. Nice, has a gun it. We have our DBSIs on. Am I on mute? Okay, no. DBSIs increasing bear strength now. Decreasing bull. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Dump, baby. Dump it, baby. Dump it. Bull's got a little minor hope here. They're going to be hoping this that curves. That's for damn sure. Not bad looking there. Let's see what happens, folks. We're gonna see what happens. Should be fun. I'm not in any trades right now. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. liking the inward curvature. Yeah, folks, is this what y'all been doing? You know? This music makes me tired. Man, it reminds me of so many times when I used to, there was a time where I was living with a couple of my homies, and, you know, we had the big, huge-ass TV, and we'd be always, you know, taking turns playing Skyrim, and so many times we'd fall asleep with this music, you know, I'd fall asleep with this music on. Thank you, Max. Appreciate it. We're just chilling. Yeah, back in the day, we would, you know, whenever you use codes for Skyrim, though, it ruins the whole game, because then you don't stop. If you get all the best armor and you cheat and you go to that one bush that has every single weapon in the game, it just ruins it. Ruins the game. We have the peacock. Here's the head. And there's the body in it. Let's see that breakdown, baby. Where's the counter traders at? Where's the counter trader?
I'm counter trading CF.
Boys gone silent. They gone silent. This is just a little wrist flick. We ain't even. This is just for. We ain't even trying. We ain't even trying. We got a, let's see, maybe this VWAP coming down this hook here. Come on, it's weak. Let's see the dump. It would, what if we just dump straight back down the spider line and I made a quick little 50, 60K? That'd be awesome. Straight shit on these quote unquote counter trade. Let's scroll up and find that guy. Just to make sure that it'll start with an L. Let's see. Let me start with an L. Let's find this little weenie. Light was his name. Is his name. Get shit on Light. Geez, you know what it looks like? What pattern does it look like it's almost making? What time frame is this? The 1 minute on Ethereum. Does this not look like the beginning of the butt hurt flying butt plier pattern? And look, we're on the 1 minute. My gosh, the whole thing's gonna play out. was trying to go back to the original drawing, but pretty sure we're going to see prophecy in the making here. know, just like there's 3 amigos, right now, technically, this is the 3rd. I don't. We have to come up with a name for this. Butt plier Bob, butt hurt Billy. You're a butt hurt Billy, and the butt hurt Billy was pegged on the 2-day of Bitcoin first, and hence pegged on the 1-hour Bitcoin. Pegged. We're struggling on these low time frames here. On the 15-second/30-second. Definitely twirly hat. Damn it. You know what he is? This is not butt hurt Bob. Butt hurt Billy, although that's a close one. This is bull trapped butt hurt Bernard. Or maybe it's just maybe Bernard isn't as good as Billy. This is a bull-trapped, butt-hurt Billy. Oh, Billy Casper, I didn't even think about it. Oh. Butthurt Billy. Yeah. I mean, look at that. What happens after, Oh my lord. It's an exact replica. She's got some little air under her wings. She's got a little air potentially here under her wings. I'm running out of steam here, folks. I think we're gonna call it a stream. We had enough fun, and we're getting tired, and it's kind of done. So. Alright, folks, I'll see you guys later.